Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go about changing this headlamp right here and also this grill right here. So once you have a Kia Optima look like this, it will be the same procedure of changing your headlamp and your front grill. So let's go ahead and open the hood because we're gonna need to remove the bumper. So to remove the headlamp, you got to take off part of the bumper. If you're just going to remove your headlamp, you probably just need to let the front bumper hang a little bit so you can get the screws that's under here. So let's get started, and guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's open the hood. So we need to open the hood by just finding this right here. Open up like that. So as you can see, that's like that, right? Go back. So let's go ahead and remove the upper clips right here, and also remove these two 10mm. So as you see, I have a clip puller. Link will be in the description for the clip puller. It might not be this one, but it might be another one. If I can find this, I will let you guys know. Alright, so once that's done, so we remove the air filter, cold air intake right here, or duct, whichever you call it. Then we can probably lift this up just like this. So I guess you're not supposed to lift it up, but it's broken. As you can see, it's supposed to be this one with another part. It's one with another part under here, so this one is broken, as you can see, so that's why I come up like that. But yours will come up maybe like this, and you can just leave it like that. And let's try to take off the side. All right guys, so we gotta come right here, right? So this is the clips. We gotta remove one right there. Gotta remove one clip right here, one clip right here, and one clip right here. So it's the same way as removing the one that was on the top, so I didn't really show that one. So, and after you remove that, you just open this like this, right? And then you want to come right here. I guess you don't have to lift up, but there's a screw right here, and it's gonna be 8mm, and this screw hold the bumper. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove this. Just like that. And you can just pull out like this. Pull it out like this, all right? So with this space now that we have, all right, so like this, we should have enough room to remove. We should remove the screws that hold the headlamp. All right. All right, so this is the This is the headlamp right here. As you can see, we have one screw right here. We would have one other one that go right here and one that here. So none is at the bottom, so that's good. So we're gonna start taking out the headlamp now. Alright, so we have 10mm right here. Alright, so the next step is 12mm right here. We're just gonna remove that. We're gonna leave that right there. We're gonna have 10mm. Just lift this up right here. Yours might still stuck together. You just bring it forward like this, and you're gonna have that 10mm right there. Alright, so once that is out, we're gonna take down the bumper right here, and it's gonna be 12mm. So right here, that's where the other 12mm is. Just gonna put it right beside that one, and then the headlamp should be able to come out. So the next step is to unplug the light from right here. This have a clip right here, so we're just gonna open this. Alright, remove the clip, and it's gonna come out just like that. So as you can see, the headlamp is out, and we're gonna put the new one in. This is also broken, but as you can see, it broken from the older one. The new one already have it, so just remove all the broken. If your headlight is damaged as bad as this, just remove all those stuff. Maybe you're changing it because your LED don't work or whatever the case may be, but as you can see, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, or I'm just gonna show you how to change your grill too, so I'm not gonna pause the video. If you guys just changing the headlamp, I guess you can just skip this part out where I'm gonna work on the grill now. So you guys can just skip this part out, skip to the grill, and skip out the grill, and then you guys can just continue working on your headlamp. Alright guys, so we have your front grill right here, and the back is gonna have 4 screws, 1, 2 on this side, 2 fitted screws. You just want to remove them like this. So once we remove this one, you can go ahead and remove that one also, and then remove the 2 on the other side, just like that. So, and if you look right here, you will see another screw right here, just like that. So you just want to search the grill right around for screws, because some is at the top and also some is at the bottom. So I guess we can remove this part now. I guess we can remove this top part now since we take out all the screws. So this is what the top part should look like. It's broken, but to save money I think I can reuse it and it won't look anyway, because this part is already underneath here. So I'll probably reuse this. Alright guys, so let's do that. I'm just gonna remove the grill now. So once you remove all the screws, the grill will come out like that. The grill is broken. Get that out of the way. Now have the grill right here. So you just want to line it up. Once you line it up, it will clip in. So just push it until it locked in. So that's good. And now after that, we're gonna just tighten up the screws. We're gonna catch back the screws at the bottom section. So guys, let's put this back in. So guys, that's what we have so far. See, I told you I can reuse this and it won't look no way. So that's good. And also now we reach at the point where we're going to put back the headlamp in. So let's go ahead and grab our headlamp and install it. Got our headlamp right here. So you just want to just remove this. So guys, what you want to do is catch your screws. And also I noticed I removed a screw right here. I guess I didn't need to remove it. That's a 12mm, so I'm gonna put that back. And you just want to catch the rest of your screws, the one that go here and the one that go there, that go right here. Alright, so once we do that, we also want to plug it back in and plug the light in. Alright, so that's good. So we're just gonna put everything back together. So I'm gonna cut the video and I'm gonna come back when everything is back together, because it's basically just reversing the process. So once you get the light in, catch all your screws, one here, one down there. You got one here, and you have one down here. And we're gonna tighten them up. Alright guys, so we're just checking to make sure the light is on and it's working. So the light is working. So that's it for this one guys. Peace out, see you next time. Leave a thumbs up.